Hi guys, it's me again, Jared, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we will talk about the best wireless camera for your Airbnb listing. So if you have an Airbnb listing, it's much better if you really have a good security system. So for today's video, I am talking about the Blink wireless camera from Amazon. So this camera is really good if you have an Airbnb listing, and it's much better to have a security camera. And for today, for this generation, there's a lot of knockoffs, a lot of not so good security cameras in the market. But for you guys, I really recommend this to those Airbnb host na medyo concerned sila sa mga bahay nila or sa mga listing nila. Ito talagang makagaan ang loob nyo na at least alam nyo na may security feature or may security camera kayo sa labas ng bahay nyo. Why I totally recommend this Blink camera from Amazon, it's because unlike other security camera, pinaka-features niya talaga is it's battery powered camera. So unlike the others na kailangan mong mag-install ng power outlet sa labas, or if of course ang security camera, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-install sa labas ng bahay mo. So with this one, hindi mo na kailangan mag-power outlet, mag-install ng power cord or power outlet, kundi it's already powered by a battery. So it's really good for, if you have guests na if you have a keyless feature in your Airbnb listing, this is a good feature or security camera para makita or ma-check mo talaga yung kung kailan or kung saan or kung kailan papasok o lalabas yung guest mo. In order for you to check to see it or to install the battery, just push this down and then pull the lid. So as you see, yan, dalawang AA batteries ang kailangan for this to power on. And as you see, you need, of course, just like other Amazon technology, you really need to have an Amazon account to do this. So of course, dito sa Pinas, hindi pa naman tayo hindi pa really that rampant yung Amazon technology, pero we can sign up for an account in Amazon. So all you need to do is download the Blink app on Play Store or in Apple Store. On the bottom below, I put a link on there for Apple and for Android phones para maka-sign up ka na agad para ma-register mo na ang Blink wireless camera mo. Without further ado, I will walk you through on how to install this on your smartphone device. Okay guys, so before we proceed, ito pala yung sync module ng Blink camera mo. This sync module, this is the one that will connect to the internet. So it should be always plugged into the power outlet. So all I need to do right now is to connect my phone to my internet, to my Wi-Fi, and then scan the serial number ng sync module. So if hindi siya gagana guys, all you need to do is try it again kasi nga sometimes medyo buggy siya. So after that, after you scan it, ito yung lalabas. So all you need to do is add it or connect to the Blink sync module. So if you connect it, it will ask for anong password or Wi-Fi password mo.
So just type in your Wi-Fi password para ma-connect yung sync module sa internet. So basically, yung sync module lang ang magbibigay sa inyo ng connection sa cloud. So yeah, it's a quite a difficult and intuitive device, pero as once you are set up, hindi nyo na siya hindi na kayo magse-set up pa. It's like a one setup, one cry something na medyo mabagal siya. You need to have a patience, and also kailangan mo talaga ng troubleshooting skills para magawa mo to or ma-complete mo to. So all you need to do is patience and then trial and error lang on how to do it. Basta as long as your phone is connected to the module and yung module mo is connected to your Wi-Fi, yun na, goods na tayo doon. So, yep, that's it. Alright guys, so right now I hook up the mount of the blink camera on just under the shelter guys. Hindi ko siya in-install sa gate mismo kasi nga this is not a weatherproof type of camera. There are a lot of versions in Amazon na solar powered na camera, but this one you need to be more extra careful. Just hook it up to your front door or onto your garage. Yeah, so I just put it in there.
So ayan, it's already set up. So all I need to do is like adjust it. So para makita talaga yung back or yung front door ng bahay. So that's how you install the Blink wireless camera. So that's it for today's video. If you have other questions, just comment down below or click the blog that I created for this video alone. I have also a blog tungkol sa the best Airbnb listing camera. So if you don't mind, you can check that out. It's all on the description below. So thank you so much for watching again guys. This is me, Jared, and till next time, bye.